other, walay padulungan ang inyong advocacy sa program. So, being in the program makes me realize that hindi lang ni all about you, not because you're a volunteer, but it's also because of the people na tukod din yung program. So, aside from that, it's the sense of volunteerism or loving your work. Okay, if you do not love your work, walay purpose or walay sayang effort. So, I guess that's the important thing being in XNSP, to love what you are doing. With the theme, Panalangin Usa, I advise everyone to be one with your loved ones, friends, communicate with them again. Kung mga wala ninyo na communicate, maybe this is the time to reach out. Have the time for yourself. Never forget to give time to yourself. And it's time to give a pat on your back for all the efforts and struggles